Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the RAW file into a dedicated catalog so edits stay non-destructive. Once imported, switch to the Develop module and quickly assess composition, exposure, and focus using the loop at 100%. Make sure to enable lens profile corrections and remove chromatic aberration to fix optical issues automatically. This saves time later. You're now positioned to work on tone and color with the base image well-corrected and organized, so proceed to exposure adjustments. Once the base corrections are in place, tackle global tone, nudge exposure for overall brightness, then adjust contrast and the highlights/shadows sliders to recover detail. You'll set whites and blacks to define dynamic range. Watch the histogram as you move sliders. Move to color. Tweak white balance with temp and tint, then use vibrance for subtle boosts without oversaturating skin. Finally, refine with local tools, graduated filters for skies, radial for subject separation, and the adjustment brush for targeted clarity or dodging. Finish by applying selective sharpening and noise reduction. You want crisp detail without creating artifacts, so mask sharpening to edges only. Crop and straighten for final composition, using the rule of thirds overlay if helpful, and remove dust spots with spot removal. When exporting, choose resolution, color space, and format that fit the final use. sRGB for web, Adobe RGB, or ProPhoto for print. If colors look off after export, check embedded color profile and make sure you didn't export at reduced bit depth. Re-export with correct profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.